Hello, third grade. These are this video is your directions for your science lesson for today. So if you have already done the science lesson, then you do not have to watch this video because you've already done it. So you can X out and move on to something else. So to find science, you're going to click on Miss Hazel's Google Classroom page because she is your science teacher. Now, we know that it always takes us to stream, but what we like is classwork because it's more organized. It's easier for us to see what we have to do. So if we look and we find science, then we're going to see there's an assignment for today. And it has today's date, 9/8, September 8th. So you're going to click on it. Now, I always like to click View Assignment because it makes it a little bigger. There we go. So now today, you are going to help create our classroom rules. So there are 5 questions that I have that help us create rules. Each question gives us something to think about. And we're creating these rules together because if we all have to follow them, it's important that we know why we have them and we understand what the rules mean we should do. So there's 5 questions. So I made 5 groups. It says group 3 up here because I'm on Angel's page. And that's the group that Angel's in. But yours might not say that. You might be 1, 2, 4, or 5. Or maybe 3 with Angel. Anyway, regardless of what group you're in, it doesn't matter because we all have the same task. You're going to help create rules by clicking on this Flipgrid. And the Flipgrid will have a question that you have to answer. So you're going to click on Flipgrid. And we love Google. That's our system at Woodbury. So we're going to click Join with Google. Then we find our name. Remember, I'm Angel, so that's why I clicked Angel. And he has his question for creating class rules for group 3. And it says, how should we move around the classroom? So if I'm Angel, I'm taking some time to think about it. A lot of times if I have to make a video response, I like to write down notes for what I want to say. You don't have to, I'm just saying that's something I like to do. And once I'm ready, I click record a response, and then I can share what I think about this question. I can share my answer so that the other people in my class can see what I have to think. Okay? Once you have done the Flipgrid, you will click Mark as done. So it's nice and easy for Miss Hazel to see that you've done the science assignment for today. Okay? So nice and simple for science today. It's not, normally our science lessons won't be like this. I know you're not actually doing science today. It's just, this is a really important activity, and it's important that in science we have all of our classmates together. It's important that everybody has a say, that everybody's voice is heard for our classroom rules. All right, I can't wait to hear your responses so that we can create our rules for this year.